guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kay, and today I'm gonna be doing my wig that I got from Asteria hair. This is a 30-inch wig. It's bone straight. Well, not yet, it will be when I finish with it, but right now it's just straight. 30 inches, like I said before. If you did not hear me, 30 inches. Asteria hair is where I got this wig from. I'm 5'2", so it's really long on me, and I'm gonna show you once I finish straightening it how long it is on me. It's really long. I'm extra, okay? So if you're wondering why I got this long ass hair, that's why. I'm extra. It's me. Extra should have been my middle name, okay? And yeah, this hair is 250% density, so it is very full. How I like it. I don't like thin hair. So yeah, 250% density, perfect. The hair is so pretty, okay? It's a 6x6 closure. This is not a frontal. And I'm gonna be getting this hair bone straight, okay? So before I get into the products I'm gonna be using, let me start off by saying make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because yeah, I have more videos coming for you guys. So let's get into the products that I'm gonna be using. The first thing I'm gonna be using is the Nourishing Coconut Oil, okay? I got this from Walmart. This is just something so the hair won't look dry. You know, if you try to straighten dry hair, it will not turn out right. And I really need it to look silky and straight, okay? So I know this will really do that, because I actually used to use this a while back and I stopped, but I had to go back and get it because I just want my hair to look really nice, and this will do it. And then I have the flat iron protector. You already know you need a heat protectant before you straighten your hair, and this is the kind that I will be using on my hair today. So if you're interested in using the same thing I'm using, here it is, baby. I'm gonna be using my straightener by MLA Pro. This is a titanium straightener, so if you're interested, I have all the details below in the description box, and you can use my discount Pretty K to get up to 30% off on your straightener, baby. Okay, so let's see what this straightener really can do. I'm gonna speed the video up after a while because it's really gonna be the same thing over and over again. And yeah, I know y'all ready to just see the finished product. So to start off, I'm gonna go ahead and say, I'm gonna use this comb to straighten my hair. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna section it off piece by piece, because if you don't take your time and try to straighten like a whole bunch of hair at one time, it's not gonna get straight like you want it. So yeah, patience is the key. Okay, let me get started. I've already been through the hair one time and it's looking really good. Like, look at it. Look at this hair. It has a lot of body in it. I think I'm gonna just go through it again just because I'm extra. And this stuff smells so good. Both of them. If you want your hair to smell good after you flat iron it, tell him. It smells so good. Okay, let me start back flat ironing it. Okay, you guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. I just want to show you guys how I was going to get my hair super straight using two products that actually came from Walmart and MLA Pro Tools straightener, baby. So if you're interested in trying out the straightener, that hair smells so good. Or the two products I use from Walmart on a budget, baby. Go over to Walmart and get those products. This hair smells so good. It does not smell like I just finished flat iron. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.